Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore the Odoo website Advanced Wishlist. This module allows customers to create and manage multiple wishlists and move items seamlessly between wishlists and the shopping cart.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video.
Let's get started. To see the wishlist menu on the homepage, click on Wishlist. You can view all your wishlists here. You can also enable or disable the Add Product to My Cart, but keep it in My Wishlist option. Additionally, you can create a new wishlist from here. Click on the Create Wishlist button, give your wishlist a name, and then simply click the Create button. A new wishlist will be created. Now, go to the Shop page. Click on the product to view the wishlist icon. From here, you can add the product to any of your existing wishlist. You can also create a new wishlist by entering a name and clicking the Create button. The new wishlist will be created instantly. Now, go to the Wishlist page and click on Move to Wishlist dropdown to view all available options. The product will be moved to the selected wishlist, for example, Wishlist 3. You can also move selected products to the cart. Click on the product image to do so. The product will be moved to the cart. Click on the three dots icon to edit the wishlist name. After entering a new name, click Save. The wishlist name will be updated. You can also move the entire wishlist to the cart. Additionally, you can make a wishlist the default one. If needed, you can delete a wishlist by clicking the Delete Wishlist button. To delete wishlist, enable the confirmation option. Yes, I am sure, and click on Delete. The wishlist will be removed from your list.
So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.